Guys, festivals gives you a great opportunity to connect with your customers personally and also to take the leverage of those festivals for your business. So for this Diwali festival, I have an automation for you by which you can send Diwali festival coupon codes or discount offers to your customers automatically. For that, guys, you just have to create a form and embed it on your e-commerce store or website. So I have used Elementor form application to build that form. And after that, whenever any of your customer is going to fill that form, the details of that customer will be saved in a spreadsheet along with a coupon code which is going to be generated automatically, and also a WhatsApp message will be delivered to the same customer automatically along with the coupon code or discount code for Diwali festival. Yes guys, this can happen. Let me show you how. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and reach the Pabbly Connect product, and you will see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And guys, here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the workflow of automation. So here you can give a suitable name to this workflow as well. So I am giving the name here as Diwali discount codes on WhatsApp. Okay, so after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So trigger is that event which is going to kickstart this workflow, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger. Okay, so here you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is occurring. So in our case, guys, let me show you the form I have created. This is a form I have created and attached on my website or e-commerce store. Okay, and I have created this form with the help of Elementor plugin of WordPress. So Elementor plugin will be our trigger application. Okay, so here I'm going to search for it. Here you can see, select this. Okay, and in the trigger event, I am using this new form submission option. So whenever this form is going to be submitted, the workflow is going to be triggered. And here, guys, it has given us this webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we can make the connection with Elementor form. Okay, and after that, we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection. So you can read the instructions written here to make this connection. Let me show you directly how you can do this. So here I'm going to, this is the backend of my form, and from here I'm going to click on this edit with Elementor option. Okay, and the editor of Elementor will open up here. And on this page, guys, when you click on this form, on the left hand side panel, you will see this content section, and under the content section, guys, you will find this actions after submit button. So when you click on it, it will show this field. From here you have to search for webhooks and add webhook as an action here. Okay, so when you add this action, this webhook field will appear here, and when you click on it, it will show you this webhook URL field. So guys, here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here in this workflow. So just click on copy from here and paste this URL here like this. Okay, then click on this update button right here, and you can see the form is getting updated. So the form is updated now. And here you can see in the workflow, it started showing waiting for the webhook connections response. Okay, so to get the response here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to open this page in a new tab, and I'm going to fill that form that I have created, and the submission data will be captured here in this response section, and that will act as a test data for us to set up this automation further. Okay. So this is my stores page, guys, and here you can see I have attached this Diwali coupon form. So by clicking on it, any customer can fill this form to get the coupon codes for Diwali. So here I'm filling in some details of any demo customer, and let me fill in the details. Okay, now I'm going to click on send to fill this form and submit this form, and you can see the form was sent successfully is written here. So let's check in our workflow if we got the data of this form response captured or not. And here you can see guys, we got the response captured like this. Okay, it is showing us the name of the person who have filled the form, the WhatsApp number or the phone number, and the email ID. Okay, now after getting the form response, we want to generate a coupon code for this customer who has just filled the form. Okay, and to generate the coupon code, we are going to use WooCommerce, where we have created the store. Okay, and in WooCommerce guys, we have an action event here which is called create a coupon. So with the help of this, we can create coupon codes for customers. Okay, so click on connect here, and from here if select add new connection option, and here it is asking for the consumer key, the consumer secret, and the URL. So guys, to find these things, you need to go to the settings of WooCommerce store, and you have to click on add key button to find this. Let me show you. You can just read the instructions carefully and follow the steps. I am showing you directly here. So let me open the dashboard of WordPress, and here you can see guys, I have WooCommerce plugin here. From here click on settings, and under the settings page we have this advanced tab. Under the advanced we have this REST API tab. Click on it, and here we have this add key button. Click on it. Okay, and here under add key, it is asking for the description. So let me put a description like coupon codes. Okay, right, and here you have to provide the permissions as read/write. Then click on generate key. This is the consumer key that we need. Just click on copy here and paste the key here like this. Then you have to click on copy the consumer secret and paste it here. And here you have to put your website's URL. So my website is here. Let me show you. This is my website actually. Okay, let me paste it here, and you have to paste it like this without any ending slash. So I'm removing the ending slash. Then click on save, and you will be connected with WooCommerce store. Okay, we are connected, and here it is asking for the coupon codes that we want to generate. So guys, to generate coupon codes, we need to have some random string of numbers and alphabets. Okay, and we are going to create unique coupons. And here you can see it is asking the amount, the discount type, and the expiry date of the coupon as well. Okay, and you have to fill the expiry date as this in this format, YYMMDD format. Okay, so to get this data, we are going to use some features of Pabbly Connect. First of all, let's create the expiry date of the coupon code. So let's say that you want that whenever the person fills our form, he or she gets the coupon code which is going to be valid for 3 days after filling the form. Okay, so we want a date after 3 days of the form submission. For that guys, I'm just going to click here on this plus icon, and I'm going to use date time formatter feature. Click on date time formatter. Okay, and here we have an action event which is called modify current date. So with the help of modify current date, I'm going to create the expiry date. Just click on connect here, and here it is asking for the dates format. So I am going to choose this one only. Okay, and here it is asking for the time zone. So my time zone is Asia Kolkata. You have to select yours. And here it is asking for the operation. So I want to perform addition. I want to add 3 more days to the current date. Current date means the date on which we are receiving the form submission. Okay, so here I'm going to select add. In the units, I'm going to select days. In the value, I'm going to put 3. Okay, then click on save and send test request. And now we got the expiry date. Okay, so we are going to use this as the expiry date. Other thing we want is the actual coupon code. So to create the coupon code, just click here, and here I am going to use number formatter feature of Pabbly, and in the action event I am going to use spreadsheet formulas. So with the help of spreadsheet formulas, we are going to generate some random string of numbers which can be used as the coupon codes. Okay, so just click on connect, and here it is asking for the formula. So I'm going to apply a spreadsheet type formula here, which is called rand between. So it is going to generate random numbers between two integers. So you can check the formula list from by clicking on this help text. Okay, and here on this forum page you can search, you can look for many kind of spreadsheet related formulas. Here I am going to search for a formula which is called rand between. Let me see where it is. Okay, here it is. This is the rand between formula. Just copy the format of this formula, paste it here in this field, and here it is asking for the numbers. You can see in this bracket we have two numbers, okay, separated by commas. So here let me put 100 and 1000. So between 100 and 1000, this formula is going to generate random numbers for us. So click on save and send test request, and here you can see in the result we got 305. So every time the workflow is going to be executed, it is going to generate a unique random number and create a by which the coupon code will be created. Okay, so now we got the required data. Now we can map it here. So you can see when I'm clicking here, it is not showing the previous steps. So you have to connect the WooCommerce one more time. So the connection that you make here are saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the same application, you can just click on connect button here, and from here you can just keep this existing connection option selected and then click on save. And from here you can see from the select connections option, you can select any of your saved connection. Okay, then click on save and you will be connected again. Okay, so you can see we are connected, the connection is refreshed again, and now when you click here you can see it is showing us the previous steps. So here I'm going to generate the coupon code like this. First of all, I'm going to put DIW for Diwali, and here from this third step, the number formatter step, I'm going to map this 305. Okay, or let's say Diwali of. Okay, so this is how the coupon code will be generated, and here it is asking how much the discount type. If you want to give a fixed discount, you can give a fixed discount, and here we have percentage option. I'm selecting percentage, and here you have to enter the percentage amount. So let's say I want to provide 20% discount, so I'm putting the percentage in numeric like the help text is saying as 20. Okay, coupon description. So this coupon is for availing Diwali festive discounts. Okay, that's how you can provide a description. Now it is asking for the expiry date, so just click here, and from this date time formatters tab, map the expiry date. Okay, and individual use, yes, these coupons are for individual use. If you want to provide these discounts on specific products, you can enter product IDs here. Okay, and if you want to provide free shipping, you can make it true or false. And here it is asking for the minimum amount on which you want minimum amount of order needs to be in cart before the coupon applies. So you can provide the minimum amount. Let's say that I want that these coupons should be applied on the minimum order of 500 rupees. So I have entered 500. Maximum amount is, let's say, 5000. After 5000 we do not want to apply the coupon. Okay, okay, so you can use this feature also. If you want to restrict any customer for using this coupon codes, you can enter the email ID here. Usage limit. Okay, so I want that these coupons should be used one time only, so I'm putting here 1, and these coupons should be used by one person only, so I'm putting the user limit here also as 1. Okay, and now click on save and send test request. So here I am clicking on save and send, guys. So here you can see, guys, in the response the code is this generated code. Okay, so we got the coupon code created, and guys, I want to save the details of the form submitter and the coupon code in a separate spreadsheet also. So this is a spreadsheet I have created, you can see, named as customers details, and I have a sheet here named as Diwali coupons, and here I am saving the details of the people who are filling our forms to get the coupon codes for Diwali. Okay, so for that, guys, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. From here you have to search for Google Sheets application, and in the action event, guys, you have to select add new row option, then click on connect, and from here you have to select this add new connection option, then click on connect with Google Sheets, and from this window you have to select that Google account by which you have created that sheet. Okay, then you have to provide some additional access to your Google account. Just click on continue, that is completely safe, and you will be connected with Google Sheets. Okay, so the authorization is successful and we are connected. Okay, and here it is asking for the spreadsheet's name. So the name of my spreadsheet is this customers detail. So select the spreadsheet's name from this given list. This is your spreadsheet, select it, and then it will ask for the sheet's name. So from this sheet's name field you have to select this sheet, Diwali coupons, and these fields will appear, the customer name, email, number, and code. So these are the headers of the columns that we have here, you can see. Okay, so to get the data filled here, you need to map the values of these things here in the workflow. So for the customer name and all these things, we are going to use the triggers tab. Here we have received the test data in which we got the details of the customer, you can see. Okay, so I'm going to use this data and I'm going to map the data here. So just click here, guys, and from this first tab, map the customer's name. For the customer's email, use the same step. For the WhatsApp number, use the same step. And for the coupon code, guys, use this WooCommerce tab where you have created the code. Okay, so this is the code created. Let's map it here. Okay, and you can check your connection with Google Sheets by clicking on save and send test request, and the details will be added here in a new row. Let me show you. I am clicking here on save and send test request button, and this is the response we have received. Let's check in our spreadsheet if we got the data, and here you can see we got the data added in this new row like this. So this is how it is going to work, guys. Now after saving the data, I want to send the coupon codes created to the person who have filled the form on his or her WhatsApp. For that, guys, I'm going to click on this plus icon, and in this action step I'm going to connect with WhatsApp, and to connect with WhatsApp I'm going to use the WhatsApp's official cloud API platform. Okay, so to connect cloud API feature here, first of all you need to connect your number or your business WhatsApp number with the cloud API setup. Okay, and for that you can watch the video from the description. We have created a separate dedicated video on setting up your cloud API setup, okay, to send messages on WhatsApp. So do watch that video, connect your WhatsApp number with the cloud API, and then you have to search for WhatsApp cloud API here and it will show up here. Then select it, and in the action event select send template message option, then click on connect. From here, if you're making this connection for the first time, select add new connection, and here it will ask for the permanent access token, for the phone number ID, and the business account ID details of the cloud API. Okay, so if you want to know more about these things and about how to make connections with cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, you can just use this here word. Just click on this here text and you will reach the forum page of Pabbly, and here we have these videos. You can see first video is for setting up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, second is for generating the permanent access token, and then we have written instructions along with screenshots to show you how you can make connections with the Cloud API. Okay. And guys, to show you these things, I have opened my Cloud API setup. You can see here. This is my WhatsApp's Cloud API getting started section. Okay. And here you can see we have this temporary access token. So these tokens expires in 24 hours. So you need to generate a permanent access token. And for that, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page. Where it is? Here it is. From the forum page also, you can watch the videos and generate the token for yourself. And after generating the token, you have to paste the token here in your workflow in this field. Okay. Similarly, you will get the phone number ID here like this. You can just copy it and paste it here. And you will find the business account ID here. Copy that and paste it here. Okay, and after pasting all the things, click on save and you will be connected with the Cloud API setup. Okay, and this connection that you're making here will be saved in your account. So if you want to make the connection again with the Cloud API, you can use your saved connections. Okay, so I have already created many connections with my Cloud API. You can see here it is showing the number as well. Okay, so I can use my saved connections now. For that, I just have to select this existing connection option and it will show up the connections list here. From here, I can choose any of my saved connection. So here I am selecting this one. Okay. And after that, click on save and we'll be connected again. So you can see we are connected again. And here it is asking for the message templates name. So message templates, guys, are the pre-created message structures that you need to create first inside Cloud API platform to send messages to multiple people on WhatsApp. Okay, so I have already created a message template for this purpose. Let me show you that. This is the message template I have created named as Diwali coupons. So this is the preview of the message. This is how the message is going to look like on WhatsApp when we are going to use it. So let me select this template's name from the given list here. Diwali coupons. Okay, here it is selected. And you can see the language code and the template ID is auto-populated. No need to do anything. And here it is asking for the recipient's WhatsApp number. So here you have to place the WhatsApp number of your customer. And to get that number, just click here. And from this triggers tab, just map this number in this format. You can see with the country code and without any plus sign. Okay. And here it is asking for these body fields. What are these? Let me show you in my message template. So guys, in this message template, you can read, Dear 1, I wish you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you for filling out the form. Here is your coupon code. Here is 2 and 3. So these are body fields 1, 2 and 3 or the variable things we have in our message template. So with the help of body fields, we can change a few things with every new message. So in place of, after Dear, I want to place the name of the customer. Here the uniquely generated coupon code and here the expiry date of the code. And to get these things changed with every new message, you need to map the values of these three things here in the workflow. So let's map it. In the first body field, let me map the name of my customer. In the second body field, let's see what we want, coupon code. Okay. So you'll get the coupon code from this fourth WooCommerce step. And finally, the last thing is the expiry date, and you will get the expiry date from the second modify current date step. So map this label here. So when you map the labels, guys, what will happen with every execution, these labels are going to be updated and new message will be delivered to the new people. Okay. And guys, we are done setting up this automation, and here you can see by clicking on save and send test request, you can send a test message to this number that you have placed here. So guys, to show you the demo of message, I'm going to place my WhatsApp number here. Then I'll click on save and send test request and you will see how the message is going to look like. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request and a new message is here. This is a new message you can see. And here you can see the message is this, Dear demo customer, I wish you very happy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you for filling out the form. Here is your coupon code. You can see DIW of 305. And this is the expiry date. Okay. And these are the same details that I have added and mapped here. You can see demo customer, the code, and the expiry date. The same things are placed here in this message in place of the body fields. So this is how it is going to work in real time, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually. After that, whenever your customers are going to fill your form, they'll receive the coupon code automatically, and you'll receive the data of those customers in your spreadsheet automatically. And you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.